says whistleblower or hashtag whistleblower or hashtag, I don't know, adult grooming. Do I name the person? Do I name the victim? Do I state the time? Do I state anything which you could perceive, as amount to a breach? So what you're stating is a statement like whistleblower and just listing stuff what's been witnessed, let's say, like adult grooming, sexual exploitation as defined by policy, safety breaches, which how does that breach, or how does it have an adverse effect? Is it me or someone like me putting out the truth